Hey everybody, Zach at NewtoMedia again. Wanted to tell you about a killer promotion we're running this month where if you give the coupon code NEWTO, it's going to unlock a free podcast every month with one of our hosts. 2, it's going to unlock the campaigns being run for your digital marketing on your email, your blogging, and your social media with us covering the labor costs of running the campaigns. That's not just giving you the software. And 3, it's going to give you your Google AdWords campaigns for free. Now, that of course doesn't cover the cost of whatever your ad spend is, but it's going to cover the cost of us running the campaigns for you. So again, with coupon code NEWTO, you're going to get a free podcast every month. 2, you're going to get your digital marketing run on your email, your blogging, your social media with the labor included, and you're going to get your Google AdWords campaigns run for free, all in that same $497 a month plan that a lot of other agencies run, but we're covering all those extras on top of it. Give that coupon code NEWTO, and we look forward to working with you.